Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about element selectors that you can use along with your HTML code. So this particular lecture is based on the practical approach of element selector. Theoretical part we have already discussed in lecture number 9. So this is our lecture number 10 that is very important, and students, if you forgot to watch the previous lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the playlist link there. So as we have discussed, what is the meaning of selector? Selector is used to find or select the content that you want to style, right? So there are several types of selectors in CSS. First type is element selector. So let's move directly to the practical section. So in case of element selector, we always use the element by its name. Okay, for that, first of all, you should write the basic HTML code. Always start with HTML code. Okay, HTML head, then title. Title would be element selector. Okay, after that, close the title section and close the head section. Okay, then what we can do, start the body and close this body tag and then close the HTML code. So in between body tag you can write any statement. Okay, let's say I'm writing here H1. Hi, this lecture is based on CSS element selector. Then close the H1 tag. Now I'm using paragraph tag. Let's say this video then close the paragraph tag. Let me just write one more statement here. Let's say P1. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. So this is the basic HTML code, right? Now, as you all know, we are using here cascading style sheet properties, and for this example I would like to use only internal CSS. So for this internal CSS, between the head section you can add what? You can add the style tag. Okay, style tag, and then close the style tag. So between these style tags you can write the element. As we have discussed in previous lecture, that in case of CSS element selector, we always select the section using its name. So here name is what? Name is nothing but it is the HTML tag only. This is the name. This is the name. This is the name. So if you are using HTML element selector, so you should use the direct tags name over here. Okay, for example, if you want to use if you want to give some style to your paragraph, so you can write it as like this. Okay, so for paragraph you can write text align center semicolon, or you can give it a color like color, let's say red, and close your curly braces. Save this program, element.html. Save this program and run on your web page. Okay, so hi, this is lecture based on CSS element selector. So you can see this is H1, and in case of paragraph, automatically it will change its color because we have given the style tag here. Okay, if I want to increase the font size, so what you can write, font dash size colon is, let's say, 40 pixels. You can write px for pixels, or you want to avoid it, so you can. Okay, so this is how you can use the element selector. Now in case of h1, for h1 if you want to give it some properties, so you can write h1 color blue. There is no need to write the font size. Okay, so just save and refresh this particular section. Okay, so this is how you can use the element tag. Now if I am writing one more statement over here, let's say h2. So for h2, hi, this is ABCD. This is the best channel for HTML CSS classes. Okay, now let's close the h2 section. Again, I am using here h3. And close this h3 tag. Save and refresh. Okay, so here I am using h2, and in the statement I am using h3. So this is how you can see the difference. Now if students you want to give this particular, let's say, let's change it to h1. Okay, we are not using h3, we are using h1. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference. After this statement, if you write h1 so many times, let's say I'm just copying the statement, save and refresh, it will automatically capture its style. Now we are left with only h2 statement. Now let's try something new on your h2 statement. Okay, for h2 if you want to give it a property like text align right, semicolon, and close your braces. Save and refresh. So you can see automatically it will move to the right side. Now let me just add one more statement. Let me just add one more statement to h2 tag. Okay, I will change this only. Save and refresh. So you can see this will automatically move to the right section, because here we have given h2 a property that is text align right. If you want to give it a color is, let's say, red, semicolon, color, let's say, yellow. Okay, save and refresh. So it will automatically change to color this. Now let me just add background color, semicolon, black, इस तरह से, and refresh. So this is how you can change your heading size. If you want to change its font size, as we all know, h2 already capture its size automatically. Okay, but in case of css, if you want to change its font size, you can. Okay, so you can write it as font size colon, let's say, 50 pixels, semicolon, save and refresh this page. Okay, so hi, this is abcd. This is the best channel for html css classes. Please subscribe to my channel. So this is how you can use so many properties, so many different alignments, so many different color backgrounds along with your html code by just using its name. Okay, so this is how element selectors actually work. Right, now let's just try one more thing here. Let's just try one more thing here. If I'm changing this to p, from h1 to, let's say, p, save and when I refresh this will automatically capture paragraphs properties. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will discuss class CSS ID selector and class selectors. So thanks for watching.